Today, we're pitting the Continental WinterContact TS 870p against Bridgestone's latest release, the Blizzak 6, with both contenders carrying the 3-peak mountain certification. These tires are engineered for the cold, but which one is best suited for your SUV this winter? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870p set as the reference point at 100%. In the wet, Continental has a solid lead in braking. The WinterContact TS 870p stops in just 31 meters, outperforming the Blizzak 6 by 1.4 meters. On wet handling, though, Bridgestone regains some ground, managing a speed of 84.7 kilometers per hour around the track, slightly edging out Continental's 83.9 kilometers per hour. And when it comes to aquaplaning, Continental pulls ahead, cruising through straight-line aquaplaning at 78.5 kilometers per hour, a whole 3.3 kilometers per hour faster than the Blizzak 6. On snow, Bridgestone dominates in braking, stopping at 21.3 meters, beating the Continental by 0.7 meters. Snow traction is another win for the Blizzak 6, pulling with a force of 2,819 newtons, which is 96 newtons more than Continental. But in snow handling, Continental responds, reaching an average lap speed of 64 kilometers per hour, just a tiny lead over Bridgestone. Both tires excel on dry roads, but Continental edges out Bridgestone with a braking distance of 41.2 meters, beating Blizzak 6 by 1.3 meters. It also holds a slight advantage in dry handling, reaching 105.4 kilometers per hour versus Bridgestone average speed of 105 kilometers per hour. For noise, both tires are close, with Continental measuring 74.1 decibels, which is only 0.2 decibels quieter than the Blizzak 6. In terms of rolling resistance, Continental still leads slightly, but Bridgestone is catching up, with just a 0.22 coefficient value difference between them. So, which tire takes the crown? The Continental WinterContact TS 870p shines with its wet and dry braking power, ideal for drivers who want versatile all-weather control. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 stands out in snow traction and braking, delivering dependable winter performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.